We're now going to take a look at a fun feature that Lofty has where you can use it for agent attraction. A lot of agents don't know that's in there as one of the options. So we're going to go over that. And then like or subscribe to the channel. Please like and subscribe to the video and the channels. It does help us. And we'll get it rolling into it and get you some good stuff again. Again, you'll be in your Lofty on marketing. Bottom left, you'll pop up here. You'll go down to the bottom left, tools, landing pages. After tools, landing pages, you're going to go to the top, add a new landing page. We're going to scroll down, and there's two of these, so they're both very similar. So whichever one of these pictures you like the color the best, we'll get into it and show you how to edit it and change the wording. So it doesn't really matter which one you want to pick. I'm just going to pick this first one. Select template, and again, I'm going to call it Agent Attraction. And then whatever you want to call it, you can. I'm going to change it all to capital. That's it. And then hit save. And then it'll open a new window as usual. Now that we have it open a new window, you can see here it has all of the wording, and it's pretty simple. Join a legacy of excellence in real estate. This one happens to be LPT because that's the broker I'm using for their thing here. But if you want to change that, in the top right, you can go here and click edit. And then it opens up and there's your pictures. You can put your own picture in, whatever you wanted to put. And then if you go here to the top, you can change content. And then you could change the wording if you wanted to say whatever you want. I don't mess with style very much because the style is usually okay. But content lets you change these wording, and then background lets you change the desktop image and the mobile image. And that way you can design your landing page a little bit yourself and have it good to go. Now, if I'm happy with it, which I pretend I am, I'm going to leave it like it is. And then it's very simple here. If I wanted to change these, I just hit that same button again, the edit button here, and it will let me change it. And then just to shows it has like kind of a breaks down, talks about this broker's vision, shows like right here in San Antonio where the kind of the center of San Antonio is. And then it has the legal at the bottom it has to do. So this is an easy way for agents who want to learn more. Like instead of join a legacy of excellence, you could ask ChatGPT what's a good way, join a broker where training is a priority and make you feel like family, something like that, something nice that would catch people's attention. And then you would be able to use this and post it out there to get people's attention. Now, again, I can't publish yet as usual. So I click on these 4 dots, 4 buttons, whatever you want to call them on the left. Once I click around a little bit, now I can publish. But as we want to do the second button down, I want to use page tracking, put in my Google Analytics, my Facebook pixel. So I have them in there. And then at the third button down for SEO, I can put in keywords relating to agent attraction in real estate. So if you're very bad at thinking those up, I'm going to show you a way you can do it. If you go to ChatGPT, you can go right here and say, please give me top trending keywords for agent attraction in real estate. And then say, please put them in a list separated by a comma, no more than 100 characters. There you go. Simple, easy thing. You can even copy it step by step if you want. And then I'm just going to go right here and copy that. So they gave me these right here, which is fine. And the parentheses, let me grab those and see how many. Probably have a little bit of space left, but we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to put them right here. Now we're at 92, so that's pretty good. And again, I like theirs: team growth, revenue share, mentorship, top producer, real estate coach. All those are good, solid agent attraction. I'm going to hit analysis. I can't get it till I publish it. I'll be ready to go. And then again, as always, you hit publish. It'll pop open and you can post to social. If it doesn't pop open, it'll be right here. And you post on the second button to the first button, to the left of the trash can. And then once you do that, it'll open up all of it right here. And this is just to get the link. So once you have the link, I'm going to grab that link right there. I could wait for AI and click on one of those. I just don't want to. So I'm going to go to Facebook. Once again, open it up. It's easy on Facebook to show it. Drop it in. Once it loads, drop it in there. and then it's going to give me join our team. And see, it doesn't give me a very nice picture, but that's okay. It gives me a link where someone clicks, it opens that landing page up. And then I'm going to highlight that whole, I hit Control A or Command A on an Apple, highlights all of it, and then I can delete it. And then I'm going to say something like, are you looking to join a team or a real estate company that values you as a family and gives you support, agent attraction, whatever you want to call it, blah, blah. And then you'd have a nice message. And then I put my message here, share it to my Facebook or social media, always like or love it. And then you want to share it to 10 to 15 groups per day max. So again, you'd pick one per day and then you'd share it out there per day max. That way you can continually be in front of people, helping other people out and get some connections that way. Now, if you wanted to do pamphlets and put it out, you can also, like we did last time, I showed you QR Monkey. You can easily open up QR Monkey and that same link you want to put in here. You just go right there, build that link. And then when I hit generate QR code, it changes it to an agent attraction QR code link. And again, download PNG, don't touch anything. It takes about 10, 15 seconds to download, and then you'll see the box pop up. Don't close the window out while it's downloading or it won't work. It's a little persnickety that way, so you just have to wait. So again, I'm in downloads. I hit save, good to go. Now I can close it. Now I can use this QR code anywhere I want, at any pamphlets, if I'm at a job fair, anything to attract agents. I can have it in my broker office. When people come in, hey, you ever thought about joining this brokerage? Here's some agent attraction. And it's very simple. You can do that same thing like we showed you. I remember there's two of these. We did this one, but you can do the same thing for this right here. Your career, your lead, your career, our priority. You can change the wording on each. It just depends which picture you like. Or you can change your own picture and put them in there with your own picture. It gives you some good options. And then you have some options to use a QR code to do it in your pamphlets and your marketing to get some agent attraction. I hope that helps you out a lot, and you can go get some good agents if you're into that. And good luck.